Welcome back everyone to this video series on Unity VR Revisited. Since we had such mediocre frame rates with the Oculus camera setup, we're now going to try Steam VR instead. And Steam VR has another benefit. It's VR hardware agnostic. So while we are using Steam VR, the tutorials apply to all VR kits, not just the Oculus Rift. Setting up Steam VR is pretty simple. First we import the Steam VR plugin from the asset store. Next you get a dialog to change the project settings. This takes a while if you already have some other assets like Gaia imported into your project. Once the import is completed, you need to run the Steam VR input script through the menu. Next we quickly create new terrain. If you use Gaia, then make sure you don't use the Set Linear and Deferred button. The deferred render path is not the one we need, and linear has already been set by the Steam VR configuration script we started with. Once the terrain is ready, we drag and drop the Steam VR camera rig into the scene. Okay, let's run the scene and see what the results look like. The frame rate looks pretty good. In the profiler we see the average frame rate is above 100 fps, with spikes down towards 60 fps. We didn't fix the sound and post-processing, so in particular the latter will impact the frame rate. However, we can already see a significant improvement using Steam VR. And what about the teleporting? Well, we'll deal with that later, but rest assured that's possible too. I'm now showing the example scene from the Steam VR asset, and as you can see it's all there. Teleport, hands and interaction. We'll explore that in one of the next videos. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if so, then please give it a thumbs up.